Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall LastPass from Android and remove browser integrations. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall LastPass from your Android device, start by locating the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. Open the Settings app by tapping on it. Scroll down and select Apps or Applications, depending on your device. In the Apps menu, scroll through the list to find LastPass. Tap on LastPass to open the app settings. Once you're in the LastPass app settings, look for the option labeled Uninstall. Tap on Uninstall and then confirm your choice when prompted by tapping OK or Uninstall again. Once the app has been successfully uninstalled, exit the Settings app. Next, to remove browser integrations, open the web browser where LastPass was installed. For Chrome, tap on the three dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and find Extensions or Add-ons. Tap on Extensions and locate LastPass in the list. Tap on LastPass and then choose Remove or Disable. If you're using Firefox, tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Select Add-ons from the menu. In the Add-ons section, find LastPass and tap on it. Choose the option to remove or disable. After removing LastPass from your browser, restart your browser to complete the process. Your Android device is now free of LastPass and its browser integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.